Good evening, and I welcome you, students. We will be discussing some important assertion and reason questions. Before we do that, let us do some exercise in order to relieve the stress, in order to release the stiffness, fatigue, and improve our energy levels. You will sit comfortably on the chair, feet are touching the ground. You will close and open your hands 10 times. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Open as much as possible, complete. Okay, now shoulders are becoming tight. As we study, what happens? We are leaning towards the laptops and the body posture is getting spoiled. We'll do some shoulder rotation. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale.
Sir, I used to do these exercises every day.
Okay, very good. And reverse. You see that we have to strengthen our immunity, strengthen our muscles, muscle power. Muscles are there, they will become loose, weak, so we have to strengthen them. Flexibility should be there, endurance should be there, and the more we work, there could be slight pains in the beginning, but then it helps and make us stronger. Okay, then we will go up and down. Vastrika, inhale, exhale. Come back. Our neck is becoming stiff. You can see that. We are studying, it should be relaxed. Muscles of the neck, we want to release them. There's some stiffness. Inhale, right. Exhale. Inhale, left. Exhale. Inhale, right. Exhale. Inhale, left. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale. Now neck rotation, 3 times clockwise, 3 times anti-clockwise. Half inhale, half exhale. Reverse. All right, come back. Spinal cord should be erect, students. And tap your feet on the ground 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, now we see the flow of energy. The energy is flowing through the body. Energy is flowing through the body, students. So it will help us. Now let us do some breathing in order to release the stress, release the negative energy, and also improve our blood circulation. Then what we can do, we can close our eyes and put your hands on your laps or on the table. You will inhale as deeply as possible, exhale with Omkara sound, Om. Close your eyes, feet touching the ground, relax your body, focus and concentrate on the breath. Inhale as deeply as possible. Another long and deep breath, smoothly, slowly, as deeply as possible. Last time. Come back, bring all your attention on your breath. Keep inhaling, exhaling. Breathe in, breathe out. Hold your two hands, rub your two hands faster, faster as you experience heat energy, healing energy, a field of the magnet, put it on the face. Let the field of the magnet heal the entire body. Gently massage your forehead, your face, your neck, your jaws, your ears, your neck, and your head. And with smiles, open your hands and clap 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And say attitude of gratitude. Thanks to the universe. Thanks to the environment. Thanks to the God for they make us live on planet Earth. There are millions of species on planet Earth. Many have undergone extinction, and over a period of time, evolution took place and development took place, and we became over millions of years transformation human beings. We have brain, we have intelligence, and that is a gift of the God. Thank you very much. Come back. So many good things. If we were animals, you know what will happen. We cannot think. We live a life as it is, and then one day we live and we die. The cycle of life continues. Life and death is a cycle. If it doesn't take place, then also we don't exist. Everything is made in such a way that we will come and go. More future generations will come and go, come and go. This cycle will continue. As you see in carbon cycle, water cycle, nitrogen cycle, all these cycles are going on. You see the food web, the food chains, one animal eats another eats, and that process continues. So everything works like that. Few species already extinct. If more and more species extinguish, you already are aware of climate crisis and what type of problems we can face. All right, we are back now. We have energy. We have to focus, concentrate, and set up an intention that yes, we will concentrate and focus on the question and solve. We are discussing work and energy. It's a beautiful chapter because work and energy we are using every moment, every time work is being done. Energy is there. I eat food, you eat food, you drink so many type of substances, liquids, and all that. Everything provides us energy to work, and energy without energy, work cannot be done. So when work is done, energy will change. So we discussed kinetic energies, potential energies, and we discussed the various forms of energies. Everything is energy. The particles, the molecules, the cells of the body, you are made up of very, very small, tiny cells. And the whole division classification is also based on what type of cells we have. Primitive cells and the more complex cells, unicellular, multicellular, all this we are reading and studying in science students. So our knowledge is growing and we are learners. We are learners because we still know very little, a drop in the ocean. Knowledge is very vast, but we should continue to learn it. That is our objective, learning of science. Now, assertion and reason questions we discussed so many times that they are becoming very, very important nowadays. And when we talk of assertion and reason, students, you know what we mean by this. There are assertion and reason statements. First, you find out whether assertion is right, a statement given is right, reason is right. So here you are given, read the directions carefully in this assertion and reason question. They are very popular and important. Directions should be read very carefully. What choices are given. Assertion is a statement followed by a reason. Both choice A, both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. You see, this question become important because they give a good revision of the chapter as well as we have to learn. If we don't learn, then we cannot answer the question. No mugging. That cramming is over. Both assertion reason are true, but R is not the correct explanation. That is B choice, A choice, B choice. C assertion true, but reason false. C assertion is false, reason is true. So you see that the D choice, the trick to answer the question. If A assertion is false, then we straight away go to answer D. No more choice. Right?
Yes,
That
sir.
saves our time. We don't study further, given the question. There is only one possibility. But the main difficulty are these two sections. When assertion reason are true, whether the given reason is a true explanation of the assertion or not. So these are the where the doubt comes in the mind of the students. They are going to be most difficult. Rest are easy. Rest are easy. That is the reason I say that read the statement very carefully, critically before answers are given, student. Because if we will try to hurry up, then answer will be wrong. What we use? Slow and steady wins the race. They are saying don't drive very fast, because what is the result of that? It is risky. You have seen those boards at many highways.
Yes, sir.
So in the situation, students, in exam, you will not go so fast. You will take time, think, understand, and then answer the questions. There are always rules of the game which we play. Whether it's a soccer or any game, in any player tries to hurry up, there are faults. And the players who are slow and steady, patient, calm, they win over. They win over. All this is required. In every game, it is required. Question 1 is on the screen. Work done by or against gravitational force in moving a body from one point to another is independent of the actual path followed between the 2 points. First, you find out whether the assertion is true or false. Assertion. Only 2 choices. Either it is true or it is false. What is our answer for this?
The assertion is true.
This statement is true. It is a statement. It is true. You have seen what happens if an height is there, h. You follow this path, students, or you follow this path, what will happen? The height is the same.
Yes, sir.
Then the work done will be independent of the paths. Work done is independent of the paths in when we talk of the gravitational force. Let us see the reason. Gravitational forces are conservative forces. Whether it is true or false, whether the statement is true or false.
Sir, reason is true.
Is it true? What they are conservative? How they are? What is a conservative force? They are not conservative forces. Gravitational forces. See, Earth has a gravity, Moon has a gravity. They all have different gravity. They are attractive forces, and you have a formula also. The gravitational force directly proportional to the product of mass is inversely proportional to square of the distance. This is a false statement. Then what answer we are giving?
Option C.
Choice C. Here, some critical thinking is required before we answer a question. Next question is on the screen. The work done during a round trip is not zero. Whether the statement is true or false,
Sir, assertion is false.
assertion is false. No force is required to move a body in its round trip. We already know, students, we discussed with you that when assertion is false, there is only one choice. Therefore, what will be the answer?
Choice D.
You can answer this also, no problem, but we already solved so many questions on reason and assertion. On that basis, we can say that the answer is D. Now, next question is on the screen, students. Work done by the gravitational force through a certain distance is constant irrespective of the body has uniform or accelerated motion.
Sir, assertion is true.
Assertion true. Reason,
Sir, reason is false.
then what is the answer?
Choice C.
Okay. Next question is coming, students. The kinetic energy without any reference must be positive. Is the statement true or false? What is the answer? True or false?
Sir, assertion is true.
Assertion true. Reason, is it true or false?
Sir, reason is true.
What is the formula? Half mv square is it true? Is the reason correct explanation for the assertion?
Yes, sir.
What you are saying, reason is the correct explanation for the assertion. Then what answer you are giving, students?
Option A.
Answer A. Okay. So far, so good, student. Assertion, a crane P lifts a car up to a certain height in 1 minute. Another crane Q lifts the same car up to the same height in 2 minutes. then crane P consumes 2 times more fuel than crane Q. First, you have to see whether assertion is true or false. Think about the given statement. Then only answer the question, students.
The assertion is true.
Assertion is true. Next, see the reason.
The reason is also true.
What is power? Power is rate of doing work. So that reason is also true. Is the reason correct explanation for the assertion?
Yes, sir.
You are saying yes, reason is correct explanation for assertion. Then what is our answer, student?
Option A.
Choice A. Next question is coming, students. What hour has units of energy? First you have to find whether the assertion is true or false. Whether the assertion is true or false. I say water, heal me and sip water.
The assertion is true.
Assertion is true. What is the formula? Power work by time or energy by time. Energy is equal to power into time. The power is watt into hour. Watt hour. So this is true. What is the reason now? Kilowatt hour is unit of electric power.
The reason is also true.
Reason is true. How it is true? Kilowatt hour. What is, if I write this, I can put this in kilowatt hour also. Same thing. If I divide by 1000. What is this? This is a unit of energy, not power. See, it is energy, not power. Electrical energy. This is a commercial unit of energy. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
And this statement is false. What answer you are giving?
Choice C.
Choice C. Next question is coming. A light body and heavy body have the same momentum. They also have the same kinetic energy. Kinetic energy depends on the mass of the body. First, you have to find whether given assertion is true or false.
Sir, assertion is false.
Assertion is false. Because what is momentum? What is kinetic energy? What is the reason? Kinetic energy depends on the mass of the body. Is that true or false?
Sir, it is true.
And moreover, assertion is false. I have only one choice. Choice
D.
Okay. Next question is on the screen. Read the question carefully before answering the question. Assertion: a spring has potential energy both when it is compressed or stretched. First, you find out whether the statement is true or false.
The assertion is true.
Assertion is true. If you consider this is my spring, students, if you compress it, what will happen? Work will have to be done, and that work will get stored in the form of potential energy. If you stretch it, what will happen? Work will have to be done. That will get stored in the form of potential energy. Assertion is true. Let us see the reason. In compressing or stretching, work is done on the spring against the restoring force.
The reason is also true.
True. What is the restoring force? Which acts in a direction opposite to here it compresses, it goes on this form. Restoring force is opposite to the direction of the applied force. Now the question is the reason true explanation for the assertion?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Reason is true explanation for assertion. Therefore, student, the answer which we are giving, what is the answer? Choice?
Choice A.
A. Okay. Next question is coming, students. Question number 9. When the force retards the motion of the body, the work done is negative. First, you have to find whether assertion is right or wrong. Whether the assertion is true or false. Force retards the motion of the body, work done is negative.
The assertion is true.
Assertion is true. What is happening if this is a body, student? What is we are saying? Work done is negative if the force acts in this direction and the motion of the body is in this direction. So what is the result of this? This W is negative. Assertion true. Then reason. Work done depends on angle between the force and displacement.
The reason is also true.
Reason is also true. We have said W is equal to F into cos theta, the angle which the force makes in the displacement. Now the question is the reason true explanation for the assertion?
Sir, reason is not the correct explanation assertion.
Not true explanation. Then answer, we are giving choice
B.
B. Next question. According to law of conservation of mechanical energy, change in potential energy is equal to opposite to the change in kinetic energy. First, find whether assertion is true or false. Assertion true or false, students?
The assertion is false.
False. Why? According to law mechanical energy, change in potential energy is equal and opposite to. What is wrong in it? This is correct. Otherwise, how the law will be conserved? What is mechanical energy? Kinetic energy plus
Potential energy.
then if this decreases, it increases. If it increases, then it decreases. So there is a equal and opposite relationship. That statement is true. What about the reason? Mechanical energy is not conserved quantity.
The reason is false.
It is conserved. Total energy is conserved. Then this is false, student. Then what is the correct answer? Choice.
C.
The correct answer is choice C. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Next question is on the screen. A winded toy car when placed on floor starts moving.
The assertion is correct.
Assertion is true. Toy cars, क्या करते हो? चाबी, when you wind them, put them, what will happen? They'll start moving. Reason, toy car has kinetic energy stored in it, which facilitates motion.
So this is also true.
It has kinetic energy. Where is the kinetic energy? When you use a key and wind up, that toy car is at rest at that time. What energy is stored when you when you use key and wind it, when you wind a car, wind a toy car, student, what, how you are doing? चाबी सी होती है, उसको घुमाते हो तो स्प्रिंग होता है. What type of energy? That is potential energy stored. That potential energy जो होती है, that facilitates, when it rewinds, what happens? The potential energy gets converted into kinetic energy. Then it starts moving. Right?
Yes,
So
sir.
that is false. What answer you are giving?
Option C.
Choice C, students. Okay. Be careful in answering the question. Last question is coming on the screen, students. No work done when a woman carrying a load on her head walks on a level road with a uniform velocity. Find whether the assertion is true or false.
Sir, assertion is uh, false.
Why?
Sir, because displacement is there, so
No work done when woman carrying a load on her head walk on a level road with a uniform velocity. The uniform velocity is there on a level road. What work is there? There is no gravitational potential energy involved here. Uniform, earlier she was moving with a velocity. There is no change in the velocity. Assertion is true. Reason?
sir, reason is also true.
Is the reason correct explanation for the assertion?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then what choice we are giving?
A.
A. Okay. Questions have to be thought. Let us see some MCQ questions are coming, student. Energy is a quantity, scalar, vector, tensor, none of these. What type of quantity is energy, students? What type of quantities? Whether it's a scalar, vector, tensor.
Energy is a scalar quantity.
Energy vector, no. Tensor, no. Energy is a scalar quantity. Does energy has any direction? No. That is the correct answer. Answer A, scalar quantity. Sometimes these type of questions will be given to you in the exam, student. Be careful. Question number 2 is coming. If the direction of applied force and displacement is opposite, then we say work done will be positive, negative, zero. Such questions have been asked many times in MCQ as well as in reason a certain question.
Work done will be negative.
Force and displacement. So W work negative, work done is negative. Important thing to know what work is. Work can be zero, it can be positive, it can be negative. Very important. And a question could be put on that many times, student. If a man holds an object of mass 20 kg at 1.3 meter, then value of the work done will be. What answer you are giving, students? What is the work done in this case?
26 joule.
How man holds an object of mass 20 kg at 1.3 meter? He is not walking. Is he walking? 1.3 meter means what? Reference point is 1.3 meter. Is there any displacement? Did he say that? No. Then
0 joule.
work will be 0. Chalo. 0. No work has been done. Which is the following is a source of energy? We discussed the different forms of energies, different sources of energies. So which of the following is a source of energy?
Option D, all of the above.
Sun is the source of energy, nuclear reaction, tide, all are the sources of energy. Okay. In which of the following examples does the work done not be 0? Work done not be 0. Read the statement carefully. Stone is rolling on a frictionless surface with a constant velocity. Small child pushes a truck, but truck remains stationary. Moon revolves around the earth because of gravitational force exerted by earth. D, none of these.
Option A.
Option A, in which of the following example does the work done not be 0? Not be 0. Not be 0. Stone rolling, here the work done is 0. Work done is 0. Moon revolves, work done is 0. Then what is the answer? Not be 0 is saying. They are all 0. What is the answer then?
D.
Answer D. Read the question carefully. They'll trick you. They will trick you. That's all. MCQ question is are tricking the students. If you are not thinking, if you try to hurry up, you are wrong. That's the only way. Question. Next question. We can derive the formula of kinetic energy from definition of acceleration. Second, third equation of potential energy. What equations of kinetics are used for derivation of the formula of kinetic energy? How many equations of kinetic matrix you studied?
Three equations.
And which equation is applicable? Third equation, second equation of potential energy, acceleration. What equation you use?
Third equation of kinematics.
Third equation of kinematics is used here. Okay. A road roller on inclined road, identify the energy associated with this. Road roller. Road roller. Road roller. Identify. What type of energy road roller has?
Mechanical energy.
Mechanical energy, it has both kinetic and potential energy. The bulb glows because of electricity. Identify the energy conversion in this process.
Option
Energy,
B.
we have said total energy conserved, but most important thing, we live on this world because energy can be transformed from one form to another. When light is produced from electrical energy is converted into light energy, the correct choice is B, electrical energy into light energy. All right, that's the correct answer, students. Next question is on the screen. A ball is released from a certain height. Which of the following statement is correct? Read the statement carefully. Sometimes they say which of the following statement is wrong. Here it says which of the following statement is correct. Four choices are given. Kinetic energy decreases at each side. Potential energy decreases at each second. Total energy decreases. All of the above. So what happens when a ball is falling from a height? Consider this is a height h. The ball falls down, student. What is happening? Which is the
Option
correct?
B is correct.
Option B is the correct answer. Potential energy decreases each second. Potential energy gets converted into kinetic energy. Total energy remains the same. Total energy is conserved, remains the same. Potential energy will get converted into kinetic energy. Again, we talked of law of conservation of energy. We talked of transformation of energies, which is very important. One form of energy gets transformed into another. That is the only reason we survive and live on planet Earth. Otherwise, life would not be there, students. The unit of power, he says, is HP, joule per second, kilowatt, and all the above.
All of the above.
Power, what is the formula? Power, students,
Work done by time taking.
or energy by time, rate of doing work. So what do we say? Horsepower, 1 horsepower is how much? How much we give 1 horsepower?
746.
Watts. Joule per second, yes. Kilowatt, then answer is all the above. All right, students, this ends up the important question answer sessions from the chapter of work and energy. I hope you will see that we have to answer the question critically thinking. Slow and steady wins the race. That is our main thing. We are saying, think about it, read the questions carefully. If you understand, then try to answer the question correctly, because sometimes what they do in such question, they play a trick with you, whether correct answer they want or wrong answer they want. You have to be very, very careful. And students, this gives a good revision of the chapters. Reason assertion questions are very important. We are trying our hard to give more and more practice of those type of questions in which students have more difficulty, so that they can do good and understand and revise the topics carefully. Okay, bye bye, then I see you next time. forward our videos to your friends, ask them to subscribe the channel, and then we will meet you next time. Okay, bye bye.
Thank you, sir.